take out the extra ring quickly, right?
The gray gaps are controlled with shims on the back side of the plate. As you can see, that white shim in there. Okay, here's a normal operating sequence of the machine. It's run up to the gray plastic guides. Cover is placed. Close down the cover.
When the cover comes down, it has to hit. This is very important that they...
All right, I'm rolling.
The setting is, when the cover comes down, it has to sit flush. It has to sit flush right in here.
Could you possibly lift up that book without...
I really can't.
Okay, what we're talking about is that spine needs to sit flush across the top of the book block so the book does not slide around when the cover comes in contact.
If it sits like this, that's terrible. And if it sits down at the other angle, it's bad. The blade has to be elevated properly so that this cover just hits on the top of the book.
Okay, I'm rolling.
The book must be put on, pressed down evenly and up against the stop correctly.
And I don't know if I could zoom in here.
Also, I'm going to show something here. When this cover comes down, it wants to fit even on the book, just like that. Right here, it has to fit even. And that setting is made by either lowering or raising the blade or putting the shim.
About raising the blade, obviously we could raise the blade height or lower the blade height to accommodate that adjustment. Okay, then also there's shims right under here and under here, of which there's a little set. Now we could raise the whole unit up to alter that point, because if we're raising or lowering the blade height, and it'll dramatically affect our glue line, and if our glue line is in a bad spot, we obviously can't manipulate that point with the blade height, and that's when we have to revert to the shims. You can see when he moves the cover down, he's maintaining the contact with the black guides as he folds the cover down.